If you're planning to travel and want a simple way to book flights online, Expedia is a great platform to compare prices and find the best deals. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to book a flight on Expedia, step by step, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to search for flights, compare options, and complete your booking without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website, or open the Expedia mobile app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see different booking options. Click on the Flights section to begin. Now enter your departure city in the From field and your destination in the To field. After that, choose whether you want a one-way, round-trip, or multi-city flight. Then, select your travel dates and the number of passengers. Once you've entered all the details, click the Search button. Expedia will now show you a list of available flights from different airlines along with prices, travel duration, and timings. At this stage, you can compare different options to find the one that best fits your budget and schedule. To make your search easier, use the filters available on the page. You can filter flights by price range, airline, number of stops, departure time, or arrival time. This helps you quickly narrow down the results and find the most suitable flight. When you find a flight you like, click on it to see more details. Expedia may show you different fare options, such as basic or flexible tickets. Choose the option that suits your needs and click the Select or Continue button. Next, you'll be taken to the booking page. Here, enter the passenger details carefully, including full name, date of birth, and contact information. Make sure all the details match your ID or passport. After that, you may be offered additional services like seat selection, baggage, or travel insurance. Once everything is filled in, proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment details and review your booking one last time before confirming. After the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email with your flight ticket and booking details. In this tutorial, we learned how to book a flight on Expedia by entering travel details, comparing flight options, using filters, selecting the best fare, and completing the booking process step by step. Expedia makes it easy to find and book flights from multiple airlines in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.